Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change time and date in BIOS on your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. So first of all, to enter the BIOS you have to shut down your device entirely and then short press the power button once to start launching your PC, and in the process repeatedly click escape key until you see the startup menu, and once you see it, press F10 to launch BIOS. If you want a more detailed instruction, check out the dedicated video about BIOS on this laptop on our channel. Once you enter the BIOS menu, you'll have to select time and date in the first tab. So in order to change them, you have to navigate between them using your up and down arrow keys, and then press enter to select either time. Then you'll be able to use the same two keys to change values in time field, changing hours, minutes and seconds. Then press enter to apply changes. And the same way you can change the system date. To apply changes and exit, press F10 and enter. And be aware that changing your system date and time will also affect the way you interact with many web services, as basically many online services will become unavailable if you set date and time to incorrect values, because they simply require your date and time to match your to match your time zone and the time on their servers. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.